I'm already knackered. Woo. This ain't a good start, is it? Oh, just getting a little uphill section. Fucking hell. Gonna have to do this a lot of times today, aren't we? The treacherous push. Innit, but that would have been so sick as well, the car coming up here, holy shit. That would have been a fun experience by itself. Is that line complete now?
Yeah.
That wasn't before, was it?
Yeah. Have a look at that.
Yeah. Yeah, that would not be fun to case. Probably the GoPro's not giving it justice right now, but that would not be fun to case at all. Yo, that is quite quite the gap, isn't it, mate? I'm saying we start from here, innit? For this section, anyway.
Should have brought a speaker.
Innit, man? Would have been fucking class.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Go on, you lead. Don't have to go immensely fast because it's your first fucking run. Jesus Christ, I fucking messed that one up. God, my brakes are shit. I'm just gonna die on here. I can't even fucking brake. Whoa! I nearly came off there. Yo, what is that? Oh, that's nice.
No, I wish I would have hit it.
Oh, that would have been nice, you know.
That would have been really nice.
Tell you what, just go back up there. Quick tea. I feel like I've got too much PSI in my fucking forks. I feel a bit too stiff right now. And I can't see anything because of my GoPro. What a case. What a case. What an absolute case that were. Whee! Hey mate, I landed on that roughest part ever. I landed so far to the right and then I cased it so hard. I didn't go to jump it, but I just still went so like nose heavy. Horrible. Oh my god, I've not been on a pedal bike in forever. This is stamina training for me. And also this footage best be decent, I swear. If not, I'm going to be so upset. Keep a bit of space for now, so I don't fucking go and die as well. Oh! What? That was alright, to be honest. Oh, yeah, man! Cleared that. I just did a little fucking whoop. That was alright, you know.
I absolutely sent that first one.
I know, I got scared. I braked a little, bro. I did get a little bit scared. I had a slight anxiety in the back of my mind for a second. Oh, man. Nice little walk up again. Fuck! Bow, yes sir. Right, are you leading again?
Yeah, if you want to.
So then you...
Which one do you want to do though? Do you want to do... Are we going down to trees or are we going straight right?
What's what though, sorry again? I know you're saying down to trees, but I've fucking forgotten that. We go to that hill.
I don't know which one leads you down to... You know that wooden bit?
Oh, I think I remember. Wait, the one where I crashed?
Yeah.
Oh fuck. Is this line?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's like dead full run.
I'm gonna let you lead first anyway, but...
Oh, what's that?
No, because footage in it, I need to see you. And that too. Nah, I'm joking. Beautiful bloody view. One sec, let me just get a little quick, sorry. My fault. That is a bit ticket. Leg out.
Right. I'm like, this is why I actually start riding back. I can actually from here in summer.
No, no, yeah.
Right.
Oh shit. So where we die? Went a bit sideways there, Jesus Christ. Can't see anything because my GoPro on my face. That doesn't help. I'll have to adjust in a second. Oh, fuck. And I'm being so nose heavy with it. Everything I'm doing right now. Oh. Oh. Oh shit. Oh, this is that techie section, isn't it? This is sick. Oh my god, my brakes are not meant for this. My brakes are not meant for this. God, I've got no stopping power. Yo. Shit. Woo! Nearly into the tree. Thank God he called that then. A fucking tree gap. My good. My good God. I said my good God. Whew. Whoa. What? Yo, what's that? If you did not see that, you'd be fucking dead.
Oh wait, I don't remember this big.
They dug that out. Remember, it goes down here to that drop off. Wait, what? Oh shit, my bad, my bad, my bad. It goes on there to that drop off.
Yeah. So the blue line does come.
Okay. I ain't fucking know that. That is sketchy, that though.
Yeah, if you hadn't actually oh god, I do.
That could have ended so. Imagine casing that face first, like your suspension goes douche. See, I'm not really in the mood to send that yet.
I'll send it now.
Yeah. Crazy fucker. Looks sketchy. It's not that bad actually. Was he always like that? Fuck yeah! Aye! Yeah, why was that so good? About to bloody fall now. I'm not even doing the jump and I'm about to fall. It's not terrible.
The only thing that I would suggest, right, is don't pull up.
No, just let it. I mean, I've done it before. It's not that. Just once again, the fear factor, because I've not done it in a while. I've not rolled my bike in a while either. And I'm just so used to the weight of the Talaria that just throttle response, that'll save you out of anything. Like you go in nose heavy, you give it throttle, it comes up. So it's very different pedal bikes compared to anything with a motor. Sick. Go on the bike. I'm not doing it yet. Yeah. As a bloody what?
You gonna do it?
I don't know. I wasn't gonna do it, right? I sent it, but it was so sketch because I was about to pull out of it. So I went sideways. Woo! I know, I half committed and I nearly died. Oh my god. Right, at least I got it. Jesus Christ. That was sketchy though. I need to fucking smoothing that out, don't I? A little. Is he coming down here or what? That one doesn't look bad, it just needs speed, innit? It's just when you're going around that corner. I think I'll have to do this one as well, won't I? Huh? Yeah man, I'm gonna have to, aren't I? Wait, what? Choosing the grass. Oh, where am I going? Because you're already there. Oh, I nearly just broke my fucking rim.
How big is the gap between it?
Not a lot of speed, no, but you still need... Fucking, where am I going here? God, I feel like a mountain goat. No, but I feel like when you make it around that corner, you'll have more than enough speed from rolling down that little hill. Because, like I was saying, even if you're going to case it, it won't end bad. Are you going now? Jesus Christ. Guy going for it. Let's see how he does it. Bit of a heavy landing that was for him. Why was that such a heavy landing?
That was really heavy. I feel like I had way too much speed.
Yeah. I can't think where you landed though. I just have to do it now, fuck's sake. Oh shit. I don't know, man. I think it is instinct, man. At least I did that. You're right. I'm happy I did the other one though. Is that the one that I had last time? Yeah, it is. I sent that. Eh? What was I drinking? not electrolytes, fucking Coca-Cola.
Oh, that's bollocks.
As if I actually sent that before. Huh.
My back wheel touched on that.
Oh my god, that 20p does not like me, does it?
What is it? Where's it coming from?
It's in my pocket. I've just got money following from there. That'll be sick. Money's falling everywhere. Oh, I need to... I don't even know. Put it in my right pocket, left pocket. Oh, fucking hell, I missed the pedal. That would have been bad. So it is annoying, I can't see anything because of the GoPro. It's literally blocking my vision. I actually can't see shit. I'm ready when you are, bro. Shit, it's a bit too much speed for this canyon shit. Yeah, boy! Oh, it's fucking slowed down too much on it. Oh, fuck.
Oh, you bastard.
Yeah?
Oh, you
Oh, no.
cunt. Oh, check that out one time.
Oh, you got it. It's like, yeah, look, look, look. Look, it's on your finger, it's on your finger.
No.
Oh, it's your fucking...
That's when I fucking trap me. Right.
You lead again? God, this is fun. Let me sort my back with you. Like, oh, fuck. Yeah, it goes, goes, goes. Maybe it's a good thing I can't lock my brakes up. Ah! Nah, it's just techie as shit. Why am I on the downhill bike for? Oh, fuck. Let's do it. There we are. Oh fuck. Can't got a bit. Oh shit. God, I can't see anything because of this GoPro. Whoa. Oh fuck. Oh my god, I nearly came off the bike there. Oh, this is this one. Yeah, that was sick, man. Oh, that was so good. Yo, you know that little jump that you missed out on? I did it. Oh, that was so fucking good. Yo. Oh. Tell you what, I've got a sandwich in the car. I'm gonna go grab it, yeah? Yeah. See if you can still wheelie this thing. Oh yeah. Oh, my brakes are so bad. I'll well loop this thing. That is so not good. Holy shit. Oh my god. Doggo. You found that? Yeah, well, it's not food for you, I'm so sorry.
How we doing?
You want my sandwich, don't you? You want my sandwich? Don't want my sandwich. Oh. Cheeky little sandwich. This guy's repairing the bike. Got a new bestie. It's called Jeffrey. I don't know actually. Sorry pal, you can't have any of this, I'm so sorry. I'm trying to hide it from you. Right, yep. Yep. It's in dusty. Case. Near the case, that one as well, holy shit. Bad case. What is this section? Oh my fucking god. Go, HAVOK. You're going too slow. Yeah. Good stuff. Right, hopefully he actually gets a decent video. Shirley, right? Need a good little angle of that thing. Hang on, I don't know. Jesus Christ. That'll be kind of bad. I braked then, I know I did, but that's because I was going too far forwards. Little manual. Oh shit, this is nice. I'm catching. Oh, fucking hell. Yeah, no, I didn't see that one. Oh my god. I look up, I'm like, what the fuck? Whoops. Okay, that's a corner and a half. Yo, not again. So I came off last time. Oh shit, not again. No, fuck. Oh shit. Oh my god, my legs. I was sick, but oh my god, my legs.
Yeah, I've heard a lot of things about it. Yeah, because obviously